Welcome. In front of me is a RUGGEAR RG655, and today I'll show you how to capture a screenshot on this device. So to get started, all you really need to do is open up the content that you wish to capture. I'm going to be using settings as an example, and from there, one way to do it is by holding power key and volume down. You'll get this annoying sound and animation along with a pop-up that you have edited or captured it, and from here you can share, edit or delete from that pop-up that will disappear shortly afterwards. So that is one way, and another one you can use for capturing a screenshot is by holding the power key and just tapping on the option right here. Does the same thing, a little bit less convenient if you ask me, but yeah. Sometimes there's also a option in the notification panel, but it looks like it's not the case right here, so it looks like just the two options or two ways are accessible here to capture a screenshot. Now, once you have captured your screenshot, whichever way you did, you can find those screenshots in your photo gallery. So once I find photos, you should see them right here, or if you have more, I believe, more photos, we should also have a album called screenshots, which is only accessible, like looking through, it looks like it's right here, kind of weird, but whatever. So yeah, from here, as you can see, there's also the two screenshots, and get out, there we go. Two screenshots right here, which you can also edit, share, delete, and do all that stuff as you could before with that pop-up. So, that being said, that is how you could capture a screenshot, and if you found this very helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.